Disclaimer, this is a work of fiction. Please don't be an idiot and play these stones in the air. Doing so will get you banned, or get in prison for 5 years for causing massive panic and confusion. Anyways, grab a slice of pizza and enjoy. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. Numerous reports have came in that a suspect started breaking into people's homes and ending their lives. People have given a description according to witnesses who have seen the figure before. He's a white male, has no eye sockets with red pupils, was wearing a red shirt and overalls. The suspect has a red hat with an M on it, and has brown hair, black mustache, and black eyebrows. He was holding a butcher's knife to end them. People are claiming it's Horror Mario from Mario's Madness, but cannot be confirmed at this time. If already confirmed, then dial 911 immediately. More information will be given as the situation develops. Seek shelter now. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. His name is Horror Mario. Someone already confirmed it. He was the one responsible for the killing. He can also throw his butcher knife into any window. It has also been confirmed that people have been dragging people into this world. If you hear any windows shatter, please do not investigate. Please stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. These people that were dragging other people into Horror Mario's world, they're confirmed to be evil versions of them. If you see an evil version of you or Horror Mario in your area, call the Gastonia Police Department at 704-866-6702. More updates will be gathered as the situation worsens.
All residents of Gaston County and Cleveland County, shelter in place now. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gaston County and Cleveland County Police Department. Horror Mario and evil versions of people are now more stronger. Right now, our hero is training to become stronger than them. Updates will be given as the situation worsens, but until now, stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. Kameron is now ready to fight evil versions of people and Horror Mario. Citizens are grabbing their weapons. You want to fight? Wear an armor and grab a weapon. Stay tuned for further information as the battle starts in 6 days. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. We have approximately 2 days until the big battle starts. Prepare for the biggest battle of your life. Prepare now, prepare now, prepare now. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. If you loaded your weapons, go fight him. Go fight now. Go fight now. Go fight now. All clear. Repeating, all clear. Horror Mario has been defeated, and will be in prison for 400 years, for causing 25 deaths and 43 injuries. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for watching this video. On EAS Tools you make your EAS alerts by using select voice and text-to-speech announcements. You can also download the audio file and add them to your EAS scenario. Thanks for watching.